to show you what I do with them. So copaiba is a very relaxing oil. It contains 55% beta-carotene, which is a really great constituent for people that have tired and sore bodies. So you can use that on your muscles, your feet. I actually use this in my skincare as well. Copaiba is amazing for skin. So if you're somebody that's like wanting a really nice skin oil, copaiba is in there. So the next oil on top is digize. So if you pay attention to the name digize, it refers to digestion. I never go anywhere without digize because when I was traveling, I went to Spain, went to Europe, and I had horrible turbulence on my flight, and I thought I was going to be very sick. And on the flight, I just reached into my bag because I had the 5 ml, and I put maybe 5 drops all over my stomach because I was really not feeling well. And within, I kid you not, minutes, I felt no more effects of the turbulence. I felt relaxed. I felt like less. One is frankincense. Now, this alone makes the kit the best value because frankincense on its own is a highly priced oil, and it's included in your starter kit. Now, frankincense I use every single day on my, you know, somebody who has scarring on their face or needs to brighten their face up, wants something to nourish their skin. Frankincense oil, like, it is top of the line for me, and a lot of Young Living skincare products are infused with the frankincense oil. It's also great for meditation, for prayer, for grounding. It is a super, super uplifting essential oil. We're gonna move on to lavender. So lavender, most people know lavender. It's a relaxing oil. A lot of people use it for nighttime to sleep. It's also a great cosmetic oil, so you can actually mix that with frankincense, and again, a beautiful oil for skin. I also like it just in the diffuser. It's super relaxing. You can put it in your own perfume. So lavender is a really nice oil to have on hand. I actually order one every 2 months because I use it for so many things. The next one is lemon. Now, I had someone once say to me, why the heck would they put lemon in the kit? Lemon is so boring. Like, what could you do with lemon? Lemon actually has over 50 uses, believe it or not. Probably 100 now that I think about it. It's super versatile, but I'll tell you what I use it for. So anything from stains to adhesives. So if you have sticky surfaces, you can also use it in your own cleaner. I use this as like a nature's bleach. So if I have to clean like the bathtub or any surface that needs a little bit of whitening and brightening, I use lemon oil. Pain away. Again, this is a really popular oil for many of my members, significant others who like to play golf, who work long jobs that get sore. Think of it as your oil that you would rub on at the end of a long day. Some people take it to their massage sessions if you're somebody that goes to a regular massage. And it just has a really nice amount of wintergreen in it, and wintergreen is super, super stimulating and uplifting. So some people find that before they play a sport, go to a yoga class, go to the gym, it really uplifts their spirit. Then we've got peppermint. Peppermint, like lavender, most people know what peppermint is. Peppermint for me is, as a teacher and as a student in university for 6 years, I really had not such a great relationship with coffee. So I was looking for something that would give me that energy without the negative effects that caffeine has. So peppermint is what I turn to, and all I do with it is I take a drop and I usually put it behind my ears, on the back of my neck, and I inhale it. And what it does is it sends like a surge of like oxygen to the body, and so you feel like a rush of energy. So peppermint for me, I would say I swear by it for just energy uplift. I'm going to move on to an oil called Purification. So this is a blend with citronella in it. So Purification is such an incredible oil. It's actually a member favorite because it's excellent at getting rid of odors. So if you are somebody that's coming from using traditional candles, plug-ins, air fresheners, and you're looking for a natural odor eliminating sort of oil, Purification is one that you're gonna love. In addition to this, a lot of my members use Purification in their bug sprays, so their DIY bug sprays. Because it has the citronella in it, how I use purification, I actually use it to vacuum my carpets because I have pets. I've got 2 senior cats and a lovely rambunctious puppy who all of you that have been watching me know, because I'm surprised he's not here right now interrupting my live video. It's a shocker. So I actually like putting a drop in our laundry. I spray down his bed with it. I put it in our mop bucket when we're cleaning the floors. So if you're looking for a natural, odor-eating, really cleansing oil, you're gonna love purification. It is so good. So RC, which we call respiratory comfort, is an amazing oil for clearing those airways. It's got 3 types of eucalyptus in it. It's actually one of our largest blends. For people who even snore at nighttime, a lot of times with snoring, what happens is just a lack of oxygen flow. So diffusing oils like a peppermint and an RC can clear up your airways and help with breathing better at nighttime. So the last oil in the 10 collection is our thieves oil. As an ECE and a teacher, I cannot live without thieves. I would not be able to deal with some of the situations I deal with as an educator if I did not have my thieves oil. So I put this on the bottom of my feet. I diffuse it in my classroom. I use all the thieves products, and that is how I stay above the wellness line.